That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Your bill, sir.
What? 40,000 pesos for dinner?
1,400 only, sir.
Price check or eyes check for expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO Executive Optical.
Your bill, sir.
Order pa more. Dessert?
EO, love your eyes.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold. Makabloom sa charm. Walang amoy kulong. Kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Kung ikaw ay edad 50 pataas katulad ko, may mataas na ang risk ng panlalabo ng paningin. Mas challenging ang pang-araw-araw na gawain tulad ng pagbabasa, pagsusulat, at pagmamaneho. Ang Optin ay may lutin na maaari makatulong sa kalusugan ng mata, nilalabanan ang epekto ng glaucoma, macular degeneration at katarata. Kitang-kita ang kalusugan.
Mabibili ang Optin sa mga pangunahing butika nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Optin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Goodbye to Midman siya. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dubit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to Midman siya. Hello, Bright Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Nagmamadali kasi itong kliyente natin. Baka pwede mo namang gawa ng paraan. Siya na daw ang bahala sa'yo.
Mahirap yan, sir. Ayoko rin ma-involve sa mga ganyang kalakaran.
Ganyan ang Pinoy. Ang Pilipino, hindi korap. Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
MX3. Dito ako believe.
The world's most unmistakable voice is coming to Manila. Josh Groban presents Gems World Tour. Live on February 18 at the SM Mall of Asia Arena with special guests Regine Velasquez and Martin Rivera. Tickets now on sale at smtickets.com. Don't miss the must-see concert this Valentine's season. Josh Groban with special guests Regine Velasquez and Martin Rivera. Presented by Will Bros Live.
Catch Josh Groban Gems World Tour live in Manila 2026, happening on February 18, Mall of Asia Arena, and immerse yourselves in beloved anthems such as You Raise Me Up, To Where You Are, February Song, and The Prayer. This tour celebrates his legacy of blending classical power with pop accessibility, featuring cinematic hits like Believe and Evermore, alongside an orchestra and choir for a truly immersive sonic experience. Book your tickets now at smtickets.com and SM Tickets outlets. Presented by Wilbros Live and DZXL 558.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RM.